Oh, hey guys, hey, I'm in Dover hunting a field and flying solo today, but first target was actually okay. You see that? Not sure what it's going to be. Might be a weedy. Let's get over into the sun. Oh, I think it's going to be an Indian. That's what it looks like to me. Very nice. I'm gonna give it a rub. Yep. It'll be an engine, and I believe it's gonna be 1884. Nice. Alright, anything else? I'll turn it back on. Oh, hey folks, I'm not sure what we got. A really faint signal, and we're down almost a pinpointer. That's where the target is, right there. And we're around us, I believe. I'll show you. We can see. Right there. Let's see what it is. Let's get my digger. And I believe it's going to be in that clump. Oh, what is it? What is it? You got me. A shotgun head stamp. Little container. You can clean it up and we'll see what we got. We're really not sure on that, guys. This side, it's come on, focus. Oh, there you go. UMO Co. number 10. I keep thinking of a 10 gauge shotgun shot. We can turn it around. There's 12 on that side. With the name. Very cool. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know if it comes apart or not. Alright, anything else? We'll turn you back on. Yeah, hey guys. I had a decent tone. I dug it. And look what I just pulled up for a watch band. It's got the, it might be a Rolex. Yeah, it could be a cheap one, but the rest of it is going to be in that plug right there. And there it is, right there. See it? Oh, let's see. I don't know. Zoom you in here a little bit. Put it in the sun. Yeah, it says Rolex. And it's got Alright, I don't know. I mean, if it was a real Rolex, it would have been made out of, it's not stamped on the back, but it's got the twist back like they're supposed to come with. But there should be numbers on the back there on the case. Oh, let's clean it up and I'll show you at the wrap up. I think it's junk. I think it's junk. No precious metal there. Alright, I'll turn it back on. There you go, folks. Here's the band. Alright, very cool. Neat. Alright, anything else? I'll turn it back on, guys. Hey, guys. Hey, I just had a strong 17 in the hole on my VDI, and it's in the hole. You see that? Roundness. What it's going to be, we'll see. There we go. Not sure. Button maybe? Clean it up and I'll turn it back on. We'll see what it is. Hey guys, it ain't gonna be a button. It's gonna be a, I want to say it's an oil lamp adjuster. It's got a little square hole in the middle. And it's got some script around it. But yeah, it's a good try anyway. Alright, see you on the next one. Oh, hey guys, look who's with me. I'm no longer solo. And we got a second coin for today. Not sure what it's gonna be. I think that's gonna be almost looks like a V-nickel. Oh, I'll clean it up and I'll show you. Oh, there's our next signal, guys. We got a flat button. Yeah, Shanks hold it over. Alright, next good thing, we'll turn it back on. Oh, hey guys, I had a decent mid-tone. Dug it, and that's what we got, small set. Not sure what it is. I'm gonna clean it up and I'll show it to you. Yes, see what Jay dug. You get something cool. You always get something cool with that manicore.
It looks horrible.
Uh-oh.
I cleaned up the front side a little bit.
And then, seated quarter.
1866 seated. That's what the back looked. That's what the front looked like too.
Oh boy, yeah, it's just throwing the signals off. And I'll clean mine up and we'll show you. Yeah, there you go, guys. I got an engine. Nothing interesting, but Jay's is cool. Very nice. And next good find, we'll get back to you. If not, it's getting dark, so we'll see what we can get. Hey guys, we just popped a mid-tone, and look at that, huh? Very nice. The old acorn. It's only half. Wah, wah, but still cool. Maybe the other half's kicking around. Alright, anything else? I'll turn you back off. No, I'll see you at the wrap up. Yeah, getting dark, guys. And I just got a decent signal. And I'll show you a little cuff button. Got fancy on the side. Still got the shank. Just starting to, I believe. Oh, Sean up too. Jay got no buttons. But Jay's got a nice silver coin. That seat is awesome. Alright, anything else? We'll get back to you. If not, I'll see you at the wrap up. Oh, hey guys, on my third button. And I'm not sure what that is on there. Almost looks like a shield. But it's ringing up high. It was ringing up 24, 25. A lot of black patina. It looks like it's got stars around it, but in the back's just... Alright, number 3 button. Anything else, I'll turn you back on. Well, hey guys, me and Jay wrapped up. You can see it's dark out. Sorry about the lighting issue, but we'll do the best we can. Here's what Jay got. He got him some buckles. And then, that's the bad boy all day. That was a nice find, seated quarter. And a weedy. And let's see for me. I actually got buttons today. Get one flat button, and I think that's going to be part of a lantern. Had the script on one side, yeah, right there. And then that cool little cup button.
That is cool.
Snowflake in it. And then this here, looks like there's a shield or something in it, and it rang up really high like it was silver, but we'll clean it up and I'll post it. And we'll see. And somebody stuck a 12 gauge and a 10 gauge together. That was kind of cool. I thought there was a coin or something in there, but I guess not. And a piece of a shoe buckle. And for coins, we got that 1884 B nickel. And then another 1884 Indian. And then a spent Indian. Yeah, let's see. There's a musket ball. And part of a suspender clip. Pewter something or other. Not sure. And then, oh, we already showed that. And then we got the Croto bell, half of it. And as Jay said, the full X. Yeah, I think it's fake, but yeah, it's still a good dig. And then we also got, yeah, can't forget the musket ball. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up, and we'll see you on the next one.